train, sister? Yeah.
We are now aboard the High in the Sky Suess Trolley train ride. This is in Orlando, Florida, located at Suess's Landing, a part of Universal's Island of Adventure.
Hello, boys and girls. We hope you're all set. Let's take a ride with the Suess alphabet. Oh, surely the A's and B's just like you. But we might have a few extra ones too. Now, A is for apple, as everyone knows. Too bad we don't happen to have some of those.
This ride does have a height requirement, and supervising companion is required.
Buzzing won't cause you much trouble.
C is for cookie.
Who said that? Please stop. This C is for Circus McCurcus Big Top. And D had surprise.
This is a smooth ride for kids under 7 years old. It's not too much going on, just nice views, and they get to see everything going on at Suess Landing.
E is for everyone under the sun. F is for friends who are all having fun.
Had to take a spin in the carousel real quick.
G is for green, but we'll get to that. H is for what tops that silly old cat. That's right, the hat of the cat. Or maybe just for the old hip, hip, hooray! Yeah, you can do it. Say hip, hip, hooray! Good for you. We could do that all day. I is for icing on top of a cake. And J is for jumping right into a lake. At the Doom Magoo Zoo, you'll find King Creature lording it all over K and L too. When you come down the road, did you happen to see a sign for a village called...
One thing I can say about this ride is it has amazing views, spectacular views of the park, Suess's Landing, Island of Adventure. You get to see a lot of the other roller coasters and rides that you may want to take a ride on during your trip here at Island of Adventure. So just a pretty cool way to see everything that's going on.
I really like what I do, Sam. R is for roundabout. Now you can see we're heading for Sneechtown with S and a T. Uncle Up's umbrella is a triple for you, and he just might throw in his underwear too. V is for the visitors here on vacation.
So the ride was a little under 3 minutes, not too bad, real smooth, no sudden jumps or anything like that to scare the little ones. It's a pretty cool ride.
X, Y, Z, where the rhyming gets tough.